Earlier this month, we got an update on the mental evaluation of the teen accused of killing 2 students and 2 teachers during the September 2024 Apalachee High School attack. Good afternoon, I'm Tyler Fingert. Merry Christmas to those who celebrate and happy holidays to everyone else. Colt Gray's lawyer told the Barrow County judge that his evaluation wouldn't be finished until early next year. A legal expert tells me the results are critical before the case can move forward. More than a year after the deadly shooting at Apalachee High School, the case against the accused killer, Colt Gray, remains at a standstill as his mental health evaluation continues.
We are still waiting for that evaluation to be completed.
That's Colt's attorney from his last court hearing on December 9th. She told the judge a report won't be done until February. A legal expert says that evaluation is important.
The findings in this mental health report will be absolutely determinative of what happens to Mr. Gray.
Colt is accused of opening fire inside the Barrow County School in September 2024, killing 2 students and 2 teachers and wounding 9 others. He faces multiple charges, including malice and felony murder, aggravated assault, and cruelty to children.
If it's determined that Mr. Gray was legally incompetent, that's going to put him on a specific treatment and accountability path very different from the traditional criminal prosecution. If he is found to be competent, that's going to be a tough day for him because he's going to face trial just like any other normally situated Georgian.
Joshua Schiffer is a longtime criminal defense attorney not affiliated with the case. He says the reason these types of evaluations take time is because there's a lot at stake.
The evaluation for competency gets quite detailed, even though it's not necessarily the longest interview process. A lot of the process involves getting together documents, histories, information of that type.
Once the report is done, Schiffer says lawyers will determine the best path forward, including a possible change of plea. During a court hearing in May, Colt's previous attorney indicated Colt was considering pleading guilty, but his new attorney made no mention of that this month. Colt is not the only one facing charges stemming from the shooting at Apalachee High School. Prosecutors have also charged his father, Colin Gray, accusing him of providing the gun used in the shooting, despite knowing his son could pose a threat to the public.
As important as the case is against Colt Gray, I believe more people are watching the case against his father.
Colin Gray's trial is set to get underway in February. The same month, Colt's medical evaluation is due to be completed. Fox 5 is staying on top of both cases. We'll let you know what happens.